In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Lovable.dev project to GitHub and download your code as a zip file. We'll start on your computer. Open Lovable.dev in your browser and sign in. Logging in ensures you're working inside your own workspace, so the project and repository we're about to connect stay tied to your account. Once you're in, locate and click your project or app. This takes you to the project's dashboard, where you can manage integrations and code settings. Next, look for the GitHub option. Depending on your view, this might appear as GitHub or Connect to GitHub. Go ahead and click it. You'll see a prompt to connect. Choose Connect. This will open a GitHub authorization screen. Approve access to allow Lovable.dev to create and manage a repository for this project in your GitHub account. If you have multiple GitHub accounts, make sure you're approving access with the one where you want the repository to live. If you're part of an organization, you may need to grant permission for that specific organization as well. With access approved, head to github.com in your browser. If you were redirected automatically, great. If not, just type the address in the URL bar. Once you're on GitHub, navigate to your repositories. You should see a repository that was just created for your Lovable.dev project. Its name will typically reflect your project's name, and it will show a very recent update time, confirming the connection worked. Click that repository to open it. Inside the repository, you'll find your project's files. To download everything at once, look for the green code button near the top of the file list. Click it to open the drop-down. In that menu, choose Download Zip. Your browser will begin downloading a zip archive of the repository's current default branch. If you need a specific branch, you can switch branches using the branch selector at the top before clicking the code button and selecting Download Zip. This way the zip will match the branch you're targeting. That's all there is to it. You've connected your Lovable.dev project to GitHub and downloaded the repository as a zip. This gives you a portable snapshot of your code that you can store, share, or use offline. If the download is large, give it a moment to complete, and keep an eye on your browser's downloads area. If you ever don't see the repository on GitHub, double check that you're logged into the correct GitHub account and that the connection on Lovable.dev shows as active. Thanks for following along, and you're now set to manage your project code with GitHub and grab a zip whenever you need it.